Hello everyone! Easter is coming soon, and it's time to think about how to dye eggs beautifully. Today I decided to test 5 natural dyes and find out which one works best. We'll use turmeric, blueberries, beets, onion skins, and spinach. In the end, we'll see which eggs turn out to be the brightest and choose a winner. Are we ready? Before dyeing, it is very important to prepare the eggs properly so that the paint lays down evenly and beautifully. 1. Take the eggs out of the refrigerator in advance. They should be at room temperature so that they don't crack in hot water. 2. Make sure there are no cracks in the egg to prevent the paint from getting inside. 3. Degrease the surface. Just dip the eggs in vinegar for 30 seconds. This will help the paint to absorb better. 4. White eggs will give you bright shades, and brown eggs will give you deeper, darker colors. I prepared the eggs in advance, so you can start painting. The first seasoning we're going to try is turmeric. Turmeric, this oriental seasoning, can not only give the dish a spicy flavor, but also color the eggs a bright yellow color. To prepare the coloring solution, add 3 tablespoons of turmeric to 1 liter of water. Bring to a boil and stir. Add the boiled eggs and leave for 10 minutes. And there! The eggs have turned bright yellow, like the spring sun. The next experiment is blueberries or bilberries. They give blue and purple color. Boil 150 grams of blueberries in water. Cool, strain, and soak the boiled eggs for 10-15 minutes. The color intensity depends on the concentration of berries. To make the color purple, you need to take a little more blueberries than for blue and let it brew for several hours before boiling the eggs in this broth. And this is what happens. This is a real magical shades. And now, beets. It is an ideal natural dye for pink and red shades. There are 2 ways to color eggs with beets. The first is to squeeze the juice out of fresh beets and dip the already boiled eggs in it for 2-3 hours. This will turn them pale pink. The second method will give them a red color. To do this, grate 2-3 heads of beets and cook until the water turns a deep purple color. After that, cool the broth, strain it, and boil the eggs in it. I chose the second method for myself. The result is a delicate pink or deep red color. Onion peel is a classic. The longer you boil the eggs, the darker the color. If you want your eggs to turn a deep red-brown hue, boil them in onion peel broth for 20-30 minutes. If you prefer a light golden hue, boil the eggs separately for 10 minutes and then boil them in the onion peel infusion for the same amount of time. My eggs turn out to be red-brown. What about the green color? Spinach will help us. You can use both fresh and frozen spinach. Pour boiling water over it and bring it to a boil. Dip the already cooked eggs into the broth and keep it for several hours. The longer it takes, the more intense the color will be. It's turned out a delicate spring green color, but this is a real intense green. Oh my god, I'm shocked. Maybe because it's white color, white egg. Oh no. Here are all the colors. Turmeric and onion are the brightness, and blueberries is the most delicate. My favorite is pink. That's so cute. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my OnlyFans. Bye bye!